You have a failed industrial electronic control. Now what do? Capture the problem and symptoms. The more details you can give us, the more equipped we are to solve your problem. Generate an RMA from our website at controlrepair.com or call our customer service team and they will generate the RMA for you. Next, pack your unit with the RMA form and ship the unit to us. Once Control System Labs receives your unit, we'll evaluate it and provide you with a quotation. After you approve the quotation, Control System Labs starts the repair work. Our skilled technicians use high-quality parts and detailed test procedures to ensure every repair meets top performance standards. When the repair is complete, the unit will be sent back to you to install it in your system. And then, you can get back to doing what you do best. If there are any issues, our repairs come with a 2-year warranty. Count on Control System Labs to get your equipment back up and running. Start your repair process at controlrepair.com.